How to fix QuickBooks app not working. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. If your application is crashing, it might be because of a bug issue or the server is down. To solve this issue, follow this step. First and foremost, open up your phone setting. Scroll down until you see apps and tap on it. Select all apps. Tap on the search icon and search for QuickBooks. Firstly, force stop the application. Then head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. If you have a much updated Android, go ahead and press and hold onto your application. Tap on App Info, force stop it, and go to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Once you do this, now open up your Play Store. Tap on the search bar and search for QuickBooks. Tap on it, and if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. Now again, open up your setting, head back from all of this. Search for a system update, tap on it, and check if your Android is up to date or not. It is necessary so that we can know our system is appropriate for the application version. Lastly, you can check for a Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, switch it to your cellular data, or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.